You cut this thing, yeah? From over there. You gotta get up. That's my chair, you know. You just fucking went over there and cut it. No, it's from over there. You better get up. Get up right now.
Okay. No. No.
You guys are not supposed to be around here, you know. This is private property. And you went and cut this fucking chair. Get up.
Okay.
Don't ever fucking come over here again. This morning I got up and took some avocados. They're kind of too small, but I decided to right there. I decided to harvest the ones that are not in view from where we at, because most likely someone will that doesn't live here will take it. So yeah, I took some of those this morning. It's almost 8 o'clock. I kind of sit here and have my coffee and then see what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna walk around where I live, took a stroll around the park. Oh, this is from my harvest this morning. I took some avocados. I think probably maybe at least 3 more weeks it should be ready for harvest. Making your mom dancing in the Kinsala Goldman, you can remember. I'm got the building scene. So this is Rycroft Street. This is Pico, one way going toward Makiki. Right here is one of the locations for the city and county or the state, most likely the state, where people are doing their driver's license road test. So this is like this is right close to where I live, actually. So as far as this is concerned, it's pretty convenient. So this is our Pico Street, one way going toward H1 westbound on ramp. These buildings, these are condominiums. The class building where the camera is pointing. Morning. So I just wanted to show this park is Sheraton Park. At one time we were doing our practice for Christmas practice for, you know, for the Christmas December 25th celebration here in Hawaii. We had the Tolena family that year. We were doing our practice here, and then Tafansek was doing theirs on the basketball court. So now the new building that is built right here in our neighborhood is that high rise over there. It's beautiful. I think it's one of those affordable housing program, you know, and it's kind of brighten up the neighborhood over here. The main issue that we have here, the main problem we have here, and the homeless people, a lot of homeless people shoot our camera, but they do a lot of stuff around this area. I'm missing a lot of stolen items, you know, from our front door, from my front yard, from our backyard. It's the result of this the homeless population that lives around here. The cops, they would come in, kick them out. The next day they will come back. This is a nice park. This is a nice public park, but yeah, at the same time, you know, the homeless, we don't really want to stigmatize them, but the issues and the problem that they've been creating around this area is pretty bad. You know, they do all kinds of stuff. The other day when I was coming from work, right on the other side of the by the street over there was a homeless lady that wasn't wearing anything, and she was taking doing her hygienic stuff. So yeah, this is a pretty unfortunate situation. If there was a lot of them here, they probably would have yelled at me and said, "Hey, what are you doing? Stop storming around here." You see all of this nasty stuff? You're gonna look. The chairs, they're just gonna leave them here, and then the city and county or the state would come in and clean up, and then the next day starts all over again. If you see these things, yeah, and you see this, they would just leave this stuff, and somebody else would pick up for them. Yeah. I don't know, people are kind of looking at me wondering why I'm filming, but this is a public area. I don't know why the cops are here too. I don't know why the cops are here. Maybe, I don't know, maybe the security guy here was calling them. I don't know why. I don't know. So I'm just doing this just for myself. I'm not complaining about anything. I'm just trying to show You know, what's in our neighborhood over here. At the same time, it's a nice, pretty nice, beautiful neighborhood here. This is a playground for the kids. I see a lot of people that come here. Nobody bother them though. Homeless people, they don't really bother. It's not really the only issue I have with them is the only issue I have with them is there's still a lot of stuff around here too. Like yesterday when I came home from work, they went and cut the chair that I had in my parking stall, because I set up like a small table and 2 chairs, and the guy, he had the nerve to take my chair. He cut the chair out from the zip ties, and then he came and he sat over there, and I cussed him out. I said, "Get your dirty ass out of here." He complied though. It was his fault, so yeah. This guy is just sleeping. This homeless guy, I don't know. Good morning. I'm not taking video of you. I'm just.
Oh really? Then why are you pointing it at me?
No, I'm pointing at the. My friend is gonna come in soon. You just happen to be in the way. Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna be. Meron naman malalpayan soon. Sige. Hindi pa akin siya kaya. So these are public areas. We actually have more rights than them because I don't think they pay tax or anything. I know people seem to be wondering why I'm walking around with this camera, but it doesn't matter. I'm doing what I want to do, as long as it's not illegal. At the same time, you can see all of these beautiful the trees and all the shades. It's a pretty good place to hang out. Beautiful, nice spot to hang out and drink coffee, stuff like that. So if I go back around and just run my camera, I think this guy probably would try to give me hell, but I'm gonna tell him, you know what, you're in my way. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna start anything this morning. It's too early. This is not how you want to start off your day, really. But